We all face decisions every day, some small, some monumental. But how many of those decisions truly propel us forward? How many actually transform our lives? The truth is, most decisions are made reactively, based on habit, fear, or immediate gratification. This video isn't about making perfect decisions. Nobody makes those. It's about making transformative decisions, the kind that shift your trajectory and lead you towards a life you truly desire. The first step is awareness. Become acutely aware of the decisions you're making. Are you choosing comfort over growth? Are you letting fear dictate your actions? Keep a journal, even a simple one, noting the decisions you make and their outcomes. This self-reflection is crucial. You'll start to identify patterns, recurring choices that either serve you well or hold you back. Next, cultivate a vision. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? 10 years? What kind of life are you striving for? This vision isn't just a fleeting thought, it's your guiding star. Every decision you make should be evaluated against this vision. Does it move you closer to your goals or further away? This simple question can be incredibly powerful. Consider the impact. Before making a significant decision, take the time to consider its potential consequences. Think beyond the immediate gratification. What are the long-term implications? Will this decision affect your relationships, your health, your finances? A thorough assessment will help you avoid impulsive choices that you might later regret. Don't be afraid to seek guidance. Talk to trusted mentors, friends, or family members. Their perspectives can offer valuable insights you might have overlooked. However, remember that the final decision rests with you. Use their advice to inform your choice, not to dictate it. Embrace calculated risks. Growth rarely happens within our comfort zones. Stepping outside of your comfort zone requires calculated risks, risks that are carefully considered and aligned with your vision. Understand the potential downsides, but don't let fear paralyze you. Sometimes the greatest transformations come from taking a leap of faith. Learn from your mistakes. Not every decision will be a home run. You will make mistakes, and that's okay. The key is to learn from them. Analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your approach accordingly. Each mistake is a valuable lesson, bringing you closer to making more effective decisions in the future. Finally, trust your intuition. After careful consideration and reflection, there will be a gut feeling, an inner voice guiding you. This intuition, honed through experience and self-awareness, is a powerful tool. Learn to trust it and allow it to inform your choices. Making transformative decisions isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process. It's about cultivating self-awareness, developing a clear vision, and consistently evaluating your choices against your goals. It's about embracing calculated risks, learning from mistakes, and trusting your intuition. By incorporating